main and make the turn. You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
Because that way everything's going to drop. Because this, okay, here we go.
I mean, it could be back pitched. So,
and like I said, just retie yourself back into the main. Because that way, then you know you got the flow. Okay.
Glacier Court.
We're at Glacier Court, building 10.
10.
We've already repiped 3/4 of the building. I've got the last quarter that's cast iron out to the PVC cleanout. As you can see, I'm in right at the cleanout, and we go straight into water. We're right at the perimeter beam. This is what I was explaining to the manager, that this building's settled and it's caused the pipe to collapse itself right at the perimeter beam. We do have water service right here, but we need to dig this up and expose this. I'm going in, you can see the old cast iron, and I'm holding almost half pipe. And I'm underwater here. This ain't gonna work. Ooh, yeah, we got something, dude. What was that? Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Woo! Okay. Yeah, I just went through the pipe. I can't get to the the PVC. And she's not really backed up. It's just because the beam has caused the pipe to pitch backwards. How far are you? You know for sure how far you're in? Why do you think only 15 feet? I mean, will that put you out here?
Well, that will, you know what I'm saying? That will cover all this area. And then underneath.
You sure?
Well, I mean.
Oh, man.
Straight to main right there, huh?
See, I'm holding. Oh, dude, look at yeah. We got a problem right at this main tie-in. There's the main pipe. Old concrete at the main. Here's our tie-in. It's old concrete main, guys. See what I'm saying? Right there, man. So, if it's 4 or 6, I couldn't tell you, but right here's that's our turn coming in. Old concrete. So yeah, I would take it. That's
The additional 8 foot of the main. Didn't you say this was PVC, Rick?
8 feet.
Didn't you say this was PVC?
What? Just the clean out.
Oh, just
You know, just like every place else, they're putting PVC for the clean outs. But it's old concrete. So, 8 feet here. How far underneath the building are you talking?
Maybe 10, 15.
15.
So 20 feet? Huh?
25 feet total.
Okay. Go get the manager, please. I want her to see this. There's no sense in us trying to goddamn just go to this clean out, because we got back pitch at our main, dropping to our main too. We gotta know for sure how much underneath this building though. camera. Anyway, you see how I'm still underwater, right?
Yeah.
I'm pushing towards the main. This is just a joke here. Actually, I'm in your main already, but my camera's black. Let me pull back. Get this wad of bunk off me. Anyway, what I'm trying to tell you is we got to go to the main. We actually got to cut a section of the main. Transition from concrete to PVC. Put a 6x4 combo, because we're coming out of this building with PVC. Okay? You know, most people wear gloves. Not me. This is just black stuff. Most people have rags. Not me. All right, let's try to go back out. All right. It's just, you see, it's not going to do any good to stop here.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to explain
Yeah,
here.
I see.
All right, because it's still underwater. Now, this is your fitting. This is the fitting going into the main. That's old concrete. But you see what's happening? My camera's coming up and hitting. Okay? Now I'm in the main, and you're probably not going to see anything because the main's probably nasty too. So, we've got to go the last 15 feet. Bring it out here 8 more feet.
Oh.
So that's 15 plus 8 is what?
24. Okay.
Like I said, I have this on chip. I can take this to my office. They download it and put it on SunCoast Plumbing, spcglobal.net or whatever. They can pull it up. But I want you to see.
Yeah.
So you see, I'm not trying to bull crap you here.
Yeah.
There's no sense in stopping it right here.
Yeah, I see.
Because you're still going to be messed up.
Yeah.
So I'm going to spray paint this orange.
Okay.
You guys got to remove this.
Okay.
I mean, we can remove it.
We'll just do it.
Plumbers are great at tearing things apart.
Yeah.
I took down the other one at building 6.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, we
okay.
did.
But we've got to go down to the main, ma'am.
Okay.
There's no. I'm not gonna stop here because you're gonna say, "What the hell, Rick?"
No point, yeah.
No,
There's
ma'am.
No
No.
point. Yeah.
So I'm gonna have them put the adjustments on the money. I'm gonna make the call right now. Let Robbie know it's. What'd you say?
Carmina.
No.
Oh, what?
Feet.
What? Feet. Oh.
20 some feet.
23.
Oh, 23 feet.
Okay.
I'm like, what?
I talk fast. 23 feet total. All right, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll come back and see you in a minute.
Okay, sounds good. Thank
And
you.
like I said, I will download this.
Okay.
But Carmina, you do see it.
Yeah.
And I know
do
you
see
got to
it.
talk to whoever you got to talk to.
Yeah.
This justifies it.
Yeah, of course. I'm totally okay with it, but I have to get it approved.
I understand, ma'am.
Yeah.
But there's no sense in us.
Yeah,
leave it
I
like it
get
is.
it. Yeah, I totally get it. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. 15. 24. You're off a little bit that way.
Yeah.
Because it's not going to be 8 feet. You know what I mean? Hey, Robbie. All right. Yeah, I got the camera in down here. What I've got, Rob, real quick, just to make it short, is I've got a PVC two-way clean out attached to cast and concrete. You know what I'm saying? At the low side of the building. I brought Carmina down here because I do have it on chip, but I wanted to see her with her own eyes so she could make the call real quick. Robbie, I'm looking at a total of 24 feet because we've got to take it to the main. The outgoing clean out, if I just try to attach this, is not going to do us any good. I've got to go down to the 6-inch main. And I just showed her on camera why. Because the old concrete combo right at the 6x4 is messed up, and this whole section outgoing is actually still holding water until I hit the main. You follow me? Okay, she understands completely, you know, and like I told her, I said, ma'am, I'm just not going to stop at this clean out because it's PVC just here. I said, this building's settled, it's caused the dip right here at the perimeter beam, but I said, if we try to bring it out and stop right here, it's not going to work. And I turned the camera around and I showed her that she was still holding to the main, which is, like I said, 8 feet past the building, you know, to actually make the cut on the main, transition from the concrete to the 6x4, and then pick the building up. 15. It's 8, it's 15 and 8. I'm going to be going from like 3 feet down to 3.5 feet. Actually 4 feet if I got exposed the whole main. Deep. Yep. Yep. All right, and like I said, I got this on chip, but I brought her down. I want her to see, like I said, I want you to see it right now because we want to get this thing rocking and rolling, you know, but there's no sense in me stopping right here. It's not going to work. Yeah. Okay? All right, brother. Bye-bye. Okay. He's letting Dana, ma'am?
She's gone.
He's letting Dana know right now they're going to give her the prices.
All right. And there's another one where we started to swap out a clean out. That cast iron has a crack on top of the pipe. I already let them know about that too.
That's building 6?
Mm-hmm.
The high side or low side?
Low side. Check it out.
We did some work at building 6 a couple years back. No, maybe it was 7. Anyway, it comes out towards the street. Oh, shit, dude. Huh?
Yeah.
You tied to it, though.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Yeah. And
let 'em know.
I did. We let them know yesterday.
I mean, what can we do about it?
Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah.